Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating on how to download Visual Studio Code. As for me, I've already downloaded Visual Studio Code, but for learning purposes, let us go on the internet, and after opening our browser, let us type Visual Studio Code. After typing Visual Studio Code, here we'll go to a Visual Studio Code website. Here, as we can see here, Visual Studio Code. So when you are here on the Visual Studio Code website, we can see the Visual Studios that we are having. We are having for Windows, and for Windows, it is in Windows 8, 10, and Windows 11. And you have to check carefully the installer you want. Same apply to Ubuntu. Okay, you have to check also the same thing as well as Mac. So you should be careful of the operating system you are using. Then after doing so, you click download here. Okay, once you click download, your application will start. Once you click download here, you'll be redirected here, and you will receive a message. Thank you. What? So since I've already downloaded this, I'm canceling this. Okay, I'm pausing and canceling this downloading, because I have already downloaded VS Code. So once it's completed downloading, you install Visual Studio Code. Okay, so after finishing installing Visual Studio Code, so after doing so, I want us to open our Visual Studio Code, because in this lecture also, I need us to put this folder. I want us to put this folder we have here. Let me drag here. I want us to put our folder with our project. I want us to put it on the inside Visual Studio Code. So let us cancel this, then let us go here, then open folder. So let us click open folder. Once we click open folder, we should go to this PC. Then let us go straight to our desktop. We have two folders here. So I need the PySide, this PySide 6 project of mine. Then I select my folder. So I have put our project inside the VS Code. So what's left now? Okay, I don't need this. So this is my virtual environment. So what's left now is for me to activate the virtual environment so that I'll be able to work with this project of mine without using CMD, because I have to activate and continue doing it using CMD. But still here with the Visual Studio Code, we have what we call a terminal window. Okay, we still have a terminal. So to activate the terminal, we go here on views. Once we go on view, we go down and click terminal here. Once we click terminal, we can see that it is saying PySide, and remember, inside PySide is where we are having my app. So I said you can say, if you are using Windows machine, you can say work on my app. Okay, or if you are using Mac computer, even those you are using Windows, I think it can still run. Let us use another command or another method. Let us say call my app. So we are calling our virtual environment, this virtual environment. So we are going inside the scripts. So let us put / here scripts. Then inside the scripts, we need to activate our virtual environment. So / here activate .bait. Let us type activate.bait with BAT. Then press enter. So you can either use work on my app. It still works. Then if you press enter, you can see I have activated my virtual environment. Or you can say my app / script, because you are navigating through all the way until you get inside. If you are using Mac operating system, maybe call will not work, but you can still type source. Okay, well, the source of the directory, and the rest will work. So this is how we activate our virtual environment. So what's left is for us to get started with our course and start developing some programs. So see you on the next section where we start developing and deploying our first project. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lecture. Bye bye.